here we have TerraLuna, symbol LUNA, versus the dollar. We did a few videos on this one last week. My main disposition was, long term, this one obviously looks really good, but short and medium term, probably looking for a bit of a pullback. And I believe that that's what we're kind of getting right here. And I suspect that this one still could very easily come down to, 35 to 34 bucks. But again, make no mistake about it, this is good long term. So it depends what time frame you're on realistically. If you're on a 5-day right here, obviously this is, strong. if we're on a weekly as well, which just closed yesterday, again, strong as well. Could we deal with a move down to like 34, 35 bucks? Absolutely, yes. I have no measures with this one long term, especially as long as we're above 25 to 26 bucks. So that does look good. With that in mind, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame right here and come up with a bit of ranges. Short term, looking for a little bit of downside, about to get a silver across the downside right here. Volatility also increasing, so I'm looking for a trend continuation. Short term, somewhere around about 37, maybe a little bit under 37 or so. Do we get a wick down to that 35 level? Perhaps yes. Ultimately, though, I would be looking for bounce around that region. Long term, again, very good. Nothing bearish about this long term, but that's months away realistically. For right now, this one was kind of a first mover, so it's probably going to spend its time consolidating alongside Bitcoin moving. Let's go check it out from a momentum offset perspective over here and just see if they agree with what I'm postulating here. Yeah, weekly is going to be pointed down as long as below 44 bucks. Okay. Daily is going to be pointed down as long as we're below about 44. And full hour is going to be pointed down as long as we are, or sorry, pointed up as if we do close above 39.5. So I do think that you're getting towards a very short-term bouncy area right here. Probably one more move to the downside, bounces from there. How high can the bounce get? I don't have any particular region, but just playing out a range between about 45 and kind of 35 is where I'd be looking for. And if it can spend like a week or two doing that, that would look really good coming into, early November perhaps. But for right now, short term, a little bit of downside, then looking for bounces and then come back to it after that. And hopefully that was helpful for TerraLuna.